welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me but hair edition, because obviously I've already beat my face, but I'm going out tonight and I want to get my hair done. This is a brand new wig I got from Miss by Hair. I'm just testing out their different wigs. I don't want to be too long but not too short either. So this is by Miss by Hair. So I want to sort out my edges because guys, this is not acceptable. Like, this is not acceptable. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my edges while I talk to you guys as well. I want to talk about this topic because it's very, sorry, I'm trying to close the thing. So today I want to talk about the topic of haters. First, let me just figure out what I'm doing with this hair. Oh my gosh, my cat just jumped up. Why? Basically, it's just so, it's just like, it's just something that, okay, listen. If you want to be a YouTuber, or if you want to be a public figure, or if you want to be someone in the public eye, an actress or whatever the case may be, whatever, an artist, whatever, you are going to have haters, yeah? So please understand the industry you sign up to. Like, a lot of people forget that, and it's just like that's something I knew a very long time ago. This was before YouTube, before even Instagram. Like, this was something that I knew a long time ago. And obviously there'll be my friend, so he basically messaged me, like, because he was laughing about something, and then he's like, oh yeah, this girl was hating on you on a TL. I had to ask her like what the problem was, because obviously he knew the girl, like, making tweets about me, whatever the case may be. And then he was like to her, oh, but I don't know, the girl must have said something like, oh, she's just not that funny, like, I don't know, just whatever. So he was just like, oh, but did you laugh though? And she's like, yeah, but I don't know, she's just not funny. So he's like, but you laughed though? She's like, yeah, but she's still not funny. It's just like, you know when someone just wants a reason to hate you, and it's just like, okay, cool. And I was like to him, why did you ask? Because it's like, I don't care, so why should you? And it's a thing of like, this is something that no one understands about me. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like it was back in year 10, right? When all my friends turned on me, that was the moment I realized that I'm gonna stop caring. Do you know why? Because it's like, they made me feel such negative vibes. Like, so I was so down to the point where I was like, how dare I let somebody make me feel that way? Like, how dare I let another human make me feel that way? So I was like, nah, F this, man. Why should I care? I just stopped caring from then, because I've had people that don't like, I know there's people out there that probably hate my guts right now. Obviously, like, what the hell? This is Earth, you know. No one is like, there's no one out there that's liked by everyone. Literally, there's always gonna be that one person that doesn't like you for whatever reason, and it's just like, you have to live with it. So whenever people ask me, oh, how do you deal with the haters, I'm just like, I don't, because first of all, negative and negative makes negative. Why would I put myself below my own level to get to their level and have an argument? Like, it's just like, whenever some of my friends, and these are like new friends, because my old friends know, innit, they like know kind of thing, I always let them know. It's like, babe, I kind of like know that I'm in the public eye. There's gonna be people that hate me. It's just common sense. So it's like, whenever people hear things about me or hear that people don't like me or whatever the case may be, they're just like, oh Leah, I saw this, and I'm just like, babe, if I don't care, you shouldn't even care. Like, it doesn't make sense. So social media isn't for people that are weak, and unfortunately there's a lot of people that are so creative but they just can't handle someone else not liking them, and that's so sad, because people end up killing themselves, people end up, you know, it's just mad. Like, social media actually gets to a lot of people, and I feel sorry for those people, because it's like, how do you become a YouTuber but not care when someone doesn't like your video, or not care when someone is racist to you in the comments, or not care when someone is, I don't know, negative towards you? Like, how do you deal with it? And I'm like, you don't deal with it. It doesn't make sense to me. Like, honestly, if you are not, self-love is everything, guys. Honestly, self-love is everything and more. By the way, I'm literally just tweezing like gaps here and there to make like baby hairs, okay? But yeah, self-love is everything. So I literally say this all the time. Sorry, I need to concentrate because ain't nobody got time to be cutting hairs that are too short. Like, deep it, someone actually sat there, thought about something negative to say, posted it, thinking, yeah, that's gonna get her. And I'm thinking, like, I find it so funny, especially like with my well-known friends as well. Whenever we're in a group or we hear something about us, I'm always the one that's just like, yeah, okay, and next, like, what? Like, I'm always the one that doesn't care, and it's just like I'm trying to get people on my wave because it's just like, you need to stop caring. Like, that's the key to everything. I don't know why. I'm not scared to get hated at all. As long as you love you, that's that. Like, literally. And you can take that advice for anything when it comes to relationships, friendships, anything. You shouldn't care to the point where other people are controlling your emotions. If I let social media affect me, I wouldn't be where I would be. I swear to God, there would be people would actually like, the hate that I get, yeah, certain people just wouldn't be able to handle it. And it's just so funny to me because it's like, whenever I see like a negative comment towards me, I proper find it so funny because I'm just thinking about like, this person really tried so hard to like get at me, and it's doing nothing but making me like more happier in a way, because I don't know if that's sick. I don't know if that's like a mad vain or mad like weird, but like, oh, I'm just here like living my best life and you're just like angry. And it's just, to me, that's so mad because it's like, I don't even know your name, but you apparently know my whole life, innit? And you know what I'm like, innit? Because you have my WhatsApp number, don't you? So it's just like, I just find it so funny. Honestly, I find it hilarious when people like just don't like me, because it's just like, you honestly, you took out time of your day to dedicate it to me, to share negative comments about, like, I find that that's so flattering to me, babe. Honestly, guy or girl, I get it from both guys and girls. It's just like, I'm so honored. I just sit there sometimes and I'm just like, you don't think I know that I'm in certain people's group chats being laughed at? You don't think I know that? You don't, like, you honestly think I sit here and I think everyone likes me? Mate, darling, there's people that dislike me. Let me give you an example, yeah? How it's just so funny, like, how the people that actually dislike you love you, really. So let me tell you a quick story. And I really didn't want to say this story because obviously, I don't know, if this person ends up seeing this video, just, this will be the first time you realise that I actually knew everything that you said. So there's a YouTuber out there, right, that has been bashing me like multiple times. And basically last year, right, I had a competition where you could win a ticket to Wireless and go with me. And basically there was this YouTuber that was in, I didn't know she was a YouTuber at the time, because literally I literally just pick whoever I think, I just don't know, just puts in bare effort in it. So I saw that she was putting in bare effort, like, pick me. And she was a YouTuber apparently. And then I go on her page and I see that we have mutual friends. So obviously I messaged the friends that are friends of her. And then I'm like to them, oh, like, I'm gonna pick this person to win my giveaway. What are they like? Are they legit? Because, you know, people be weirdos out here, you know. People be like crazy out here. So you can't trust everyone. So I just wanted to make sure she was legit. And they were just like, oh, babe, this is the girl that was chatting shit about you at the event. Remember I told you? And I was like, what? She's like, yeah, she be chatting shit about you. And I was just like, oh, that's so mad. Like, it's just like people out there just block their own blessings. Like, imagine I actually brought her on the giveaway thing. Can you imagine if I went to Wireless with her? Thank goodness. Like, could you actually imagine? That is, do you see what I mean? Like, it's like when Cardi B says in that song, these hoes ain't what they say they are. Their pussy stink, they catfishing. Same hoes that be sending shots, they reaching out like their back itching. Literally, that girl was reaching in my comments to be picked, and it's just like, that was the same girl that was hating. Can you actually imagine? I found that so funny. And she had the audacity to invite me to one of her events as well, like afterwards, thinking like, I don't know what you said about me. I just find it so funny. I was actually gonna go as well, but what's the point of me entertaining people that don't like me? I just deeped it. I was like, Aaliyah, you're actually too nice, because how can you actually go knowing what this girl has said about you? I was like, no, let me not be too nice. Like, let me because I just don't have the energy to actually just like care. Whenever people are like, oh, did you see this? I'm like, no babe, I'm working. Like, I'm literally working. Like, I have multiple jobs. I don't have the time to be seeing nothing. And if anything, why should I care? So yeah, literally. So that's why I'm just like, oh, you guys don't even know what kind of person I am. It's just like, I got like, whenever I get like hate online, a lot of people, like a lot of my friends that aren't close to me are like, oh babe, are you okay? I'm just like, you actually thought that triggered me. You don't know what kind of person I am, babe. You have to be relevant first for me to get triggered. I'm so sorry, but if I don't have your number and you don't have mine, and let alone if I don't know your name and I don't know who you are, you will never get to me. You will never make me feel any type of way. I don't understand. People just don't understand that about me. Like, you will never make me feel any type of way. So it's just so, I just find it so funny. I find it hilarious, honestly, truly. Honestly and truly, I find it hilarious. But yeah, so all I'm saying is, if you guys really want to jump on this YouTube thing, like, I'm speaking to the females out here that are a bit younger than me, make sure that you love yourself first, because God knows, like, if you're depressed or if you're going for a breakup or if you feel shitty about yourself and you're not borderline obsessed, like I'm talking like every day you wake up singing. No, literally every day I bang out music because it makes me feel good and because I just love life. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm in a really happy state. Like, I always have been, but I'm just like, you can't bring someone down that's like at peace with themselves. People don't understand that. It's just like, it's just funny to me. It's mad funny. So I hope that's something you guys understand about me. Like, I even get some followers that send me stuff that other people say about me, and I'm just like, I just think like, you just don't know that I don't care. It's so cute though that you want to see a reaction. Like, babe, I'm not gonna say anything back. Like, you'll never catch me reacting to someone else that's being negative, because two negatives don't make a positive. How am I benefiting from that? I don't have time to waste. By the way, is my hair not fleeky? The foot? But as I was saying, guys, literally, this is why I say read The Secret, innit? Just read The Secret. You have one life. Life is the longest thing we know. You have one life. You have to be so careful about what you think about and what you feed energy to. Literally, you have to be so careful. So for people out there that try and bring me down or try and trigger me, you honestly think, after I read The Secret, I told you my life changed. Even though I already knew this, you have to be so careful with who you invest your time into. Who has time to be sitting online arguing with people you'll never meet? What? And it's the ones that are like always talking the most that will never say it to your face, and it's just like, that person would never say that to my face, so why would I even, like, I just don't understand it. I like watching other celebrities that get triggered and do the whole clap back season, but you'll never see me clapping back. I say this all the time. I think I said it in one of my previous videos, like, you'll never ever catch me reacting to negativity, because like I always say, like I always tweet, I have to remind them, innit? You have to be relevant first to get a reaction out of me. If you have no reaction out of me, you know what you are to me, darling. You know. But anyways, guys, to my new subscribers and my new followers, you obviously don't know that about me. Like, I'm literally so careless. It's kind of scary in a way. Like, some of my friends are like kind of scared. They're like, oh, I would never want to be on your bad side, because I'm just so like, I brush everything off. Like, I just don't care. I have emotions though. I do. If I do love you, I show it. But if I don't like care about you, I just don't care about you. Like, it just doesn't. How can you trigger me when I don't even know your first name? How does that even work? I don't understand it. Anyways, guys, big shout out to Miss By. This hair is popping, I can't lie. It's a 360 wig, and all the details for this wig is down low in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like this video, dislike this video if you want, leave a comment, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.